Let's rock.
Can you run for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me?
I'm gonna make these videos that I just did separate, but then I'm gonna also do a wig video with with everything included. So I'm gonna do how to do baby hairs, how to do fluffy baby hairs, and how to do a wig install. Trust the process, because I'm trusting the process. These, every time I do my wig, I be nervous because I had to restart 3 times, and it always seemed like harder every time I do it again. So on the 3rd try, I think this is the 3rd or 4th try, I believe it's the 3rd. On the 3rd try, finally got it on, but like it's so messy. So I'm gonna let it dry, and then, like, y'all, it's literally, it's 1:33 a.m. I know I'm a slay this install, but it's just like, it's kind of overwhelming because, like, it's messy. So I haven't did a wig in like 4 or 5 months. Okay, y'all, it's the next morning. It's 9:51 a.m. and now I'll take off. And let me know, do y'all like this angle, or do y'all like the angles that I had in the video? I think they're gonna look good, because when I get them from different angles, then I like the video better. Ooh. I be having a problem finding where to put the glue. This is crazy that all this glue in some of the parts didn't even lay down. Ow, ow. Yeah, this how it look right now. I'm gonna be back after I clean it up and fix. Well, I guess I'll come back and show y'all me fixing this. Whatever. Yeah, this is always like hard for me. I don't know why I can't, like, I don't know. This part, like, to get the whole wig on. Do y'all have any suggestions? Let me know. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all, like, me cleaning the hairline, but I'm gonna come back when I'm done. Now I'm about to try the TikTok trend. I'm recording for TikTok and I'm recording for YouTube. Right here, I'm just tinting the lace with powder closest to my skin tone. Okay, so I'm back. It is 6:01 and I've had this thing on since, and I took a shower and stuff, so now we're gonna take it off. I'm nervous. Yeah. Oh, that came out easy. Okay. You see that? That's excess glue that I have to get off. I don't have no alcohol, so we're gonna see how we're gonna get that off, but it's pretty good if I didn't have all that excess glue, baby. But so we're gonna get that glue off and then start the baby hairs. So I'll come back to show y'all. No, the fluffy baby hair is gonna be in a separate video, so if you want to see that, make sure you click the card. Either it's gonna come up here or it's gonna come up here. I believe it's gonna pop up here. Make sure you click the time card. So this is how it is looking close up. It's looking pretty good, but I still have some stuff to clean up, so I'm cleaning the hairline with alcohol. Yeah, I feel like this is melting it more into my skin, so it's helping it blend in. Okay, my man said stop before you go overboard, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna put a little bit more powder on it, and like I said earlier in this video, I hope this video is not too long, but like I said earlier in this video, powder I think is better than foundation, because usually I use liquid foundation. Okay, so now it's time to do the baby hairs. I'm gonna be using this and this. The secret to the fluffy baby hairs. I'm finishing my hair.
Wow.
I'm done. I'm just doing my baby hairs. That's it.
You got your clothes so far?
Yeah. And I don't know why I'm trying to hurry up, y'all. This is my video. If people don't want to watch, like, I'm trying to hurry up, like, oh my god, they might say it's too long. But this is an in-depth video about how to do fluffy baby hair. So I don't know why I'm trying to rush through this. Because I'm thinking about my watch time and all that stuff, and I don't want people to click off the video, but whatever. If they do, oh well. And mom, I was doing it. I had started this video. I was trying to rush in the video. I'm like, all this stuff they gotta see, but I was trying to rush. And then I said in the video, like, why am I trying to rush? And this is a full tutorial for the people who want to see it.
Yeah, and whoever don't want to see it, they're gonna fast forward to the part that they want.
Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, my tape froze us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Okay, so this is what I have. I'm probably gonna pluck it just a little bit more, but well, that's better. I don't want to overpluck.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm Spider-Man. Me.
If I yawn it, I use my yawn.
You supersonic? Whoa. Okay, so this is the finished look. I mean, it's getting a little tangled. I'll probably update y'all like in a week.
Let's rock.